In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira on Slack, making your project management even more seamless and efficient. So, if you've been looking to bring together the incredible organizational capabilities of Jira with the communication power of Slack, then you're definitely in the right place. Let's get started. First up, we need to navigate to the Slack website. Open your preferred web browser and go to slack.com. Once you're there, you'll want to look to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on Sign In. If you're already a part of the Slack world, you'll know this is your gateway into the vast realm of channels, messages, and more. Now, to make the login process as smooth as possible, we're going to use our Google account, so go ahead and click on Google. This will redirect you to a page where you can sign in using your Google credentials, enter your details, and voila, you're in. Once you're in, look towards your left panel. You're going to spot those three little dots. Click on them. These are your gateway to a world of automation and integrations that can enhance your productivity tools. Next, from the menu that appears, select Automations. This is where you can connect various tools and set up workflows to automate repetitive tasks. Once you've clicked on Automations, we're moving on to the next part of our setup. Now, it's time to click on Apps. You'll find this option readily available, usually right there in the same area where you accessed Automations. This Apps section is where you can find many integrations that work seamlessly with Slack. In the Apps section, we're specifically interested in finding Jira. So, in the search bar, go ahead and type Jira. Slack will hunt down that app for you, and it should appear in your search results. Once you see it, click on Jira. We're almost there. On Jira's page in Slack, you'll notice an Add to Slack button. Click on it. This will begin the integration process and lead you through a few necessary steps to marry these two platforms perfectly. You'll be prompted to authorize permissions, so make sure you follow through with these authorization requests to ensure seamless functionality. And remember, authorizing these permissions is essential to fully utilize the integration between Jira and Slack. To complete the process, ensure you're logged in to Zoom if necessary during this authorization. Sometimes, these permissions may include linking other tools, like Zoom, which can complement your Slack experience even further. Once you've successfully authorized the permissions, your integration between Jira and Slack is complete. Congratulations, you've just streamlined your workflow and ensured that important project updates flow directly into your communication channels. Happy collaborating, and I'll see you in the next video.